Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So let's see what happened for Bitcoin today. Well, basically there is a kind of like a signal there given. As you can see today, we took the blue zone as expected, the danger area, the risk zone, and that we mentioned that, okay, you have to be careful in this zone. This is what scares me. I was not scared there. I was still looking for higher, but this zone is very critical. Now, we took this zone, just the fib level 1.23 exactly, which it can be a fib level for a wave B there, exactly at 119k, was very high precision, of course, and we start to retrace somehow towards the downside in a way that it looks a little bit weird, okay? Because on the 15-minute chart here, if we are in a wave after a correction, let's say this is your correction as a triangle, as we mentioned, wave 4, we have the A, we have the B, the C, D, and an E. And we start to unfold something toward the upside, right? So we start to see a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 3, wave 4. Now, what is that? Is it a finished wave 5? Well, it has finished very short, that means. If this is the case scenario, because you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 already finished, wave 4 not interfering with the zone 1, meaning you finished an impulse toward the upside, which it might place your wave 5, your wave C, major wave C, wave Y, and W big WX and a Y, finally big wave B as an expanding flat. So we have to be careful. Now, is it confirmed that we are moving toward the downside, very bearish, and so on? Well, we still need to, of course, estimate and test a wave 2. What if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 2 toward the downside, and continuation toward the upside, probably for a longer wave 5? Meaning the next targets for this wave 2 might be reached, like already, like it has already took the 0.38, but it is very fast, which I doubt it, because based on the time, wave 2 has to be kind of like ABC, right? Or at least something finishing over there, right? So basically, I'm still watching this area. What is going on now? Of course, it looks like a triangle. It looks like corrective, like A, B, C, D, E, and it might seek still for higher, but don't get into this trap so much on the 5-minute chart, because it might transform to something else. It can be a wave also 1, and you're looking for something as ABC maybe, or WX and a Y, and then continuation towards lower prices. So we have to be careful. It can be also a W, of course, as a triangle. It can be an X. It can be a Y. What I'm mentioning here, why we should be precautious again, because we have hit the perfect area, the zone that we are watching for it, and we have to start be very precautious in this area for some reversal toward the downside. Okay, so this is what I was mentioning today. Also, we saw it in the indicators analysis today. We see the over bought area again on the 1-hour chart, hitting very fast and very, I would say very sharp, getting in the zone, which it might open the possibility to get inside a little bit again. And of course, on the 4-hour chart as well, we're still inside it, but I doubt we're gonna take this high again, so it might move a little bit higher. So possibility can be there still, guys, for a little bit higher, but I start to see weakness, okay? I start to see some weakness here. Plus, on the 1-hour chart, if you take this, now it doesn't show it, all of it. I'm gonna show you something. Here we go. You have a very big bearish divergence, okay, which is summing up is those small ones. So meaning the higher you get, the stronger this bearish is gonna become, okay, this divergence, even if you get higher in the RSI, okay. So it might become stronger and stronger, and then it might unfold something toward the downside. Now this is only indicator, but also Elliott wave again shows, of course, a potential of a finished impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start to see some weakness. We need anyway a wave 2, potentially 3, 4, 5, again for one-to-one fib level 120k, and then moving down, very likely as well. Okay. In conclusion, probabilities, of course, can be finished 1 2, can be 3 4 5, or it can be simply continuation towards the upside somehow to hit this 120k and moving down. We have to be careful, very be careful, of course, especially at this level again, in case we move towards higher prices. Yep, so this is the updates for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Trade safe always, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.